Welcome back to a new episode of Detailing Guru. Today we are going to talk about paint coatings and the 5 things that you have to be aware of when applying them. Paint coatings are expensive chemicals, and that's why a lot of people tend to use too little product. You have to be really generous with it because you really want the product to be in the pores of the paint. So I'll show you how I do it. I don't touch the swed with the bottleneck, and before applying you have to check if you have any debris or crystals, because otherwise this would scratch the paint. For first-time users, I suggest to work in small sections, stay within your shoulders. I will show you. And work at a good pace. Make an even layer of product. And wipe off immediately. You don't have to wait for rainbows to appear. You can wipe it off immediately and wipe off in an area further away than where you have applied the coating. So wipe off with a multiple of microfiber towels of a good quality. You don't want to mess up your last step of coating application by using stitched microfiber towels that will scratch your paint. When you have finished one panel, check it immediately with proper lighting and a secure wipe. Because if you wait too long, after a certain amount of time, you will not be able to correct it. Within a certain time frame, it's easily correctable. If not, it's done. So we take our light and we check for high spots. As you can see here. Also be aware that adjacent panels, transfer of your towel, make sure to double check those again. We don't have this fender here now, but adjacent panels is really important to check for high spots or leftover product. So take this secure wipe and better be safe than sorry. I saw many times that people leave their towels after coating application on the paint surface or on the glass. Don't do this. It will mark, and it will mark permanently. As you can see, I left one here. I'll take my inspection light and I'll check it, and this is how it will look. So this will not be possible to remove, so don't do this trick. If you are done with the entire process, make sure you check with proper lighting. Let the car sit in the garage for a minimum of 24 hours before you start driving it. If you have experienced any problems with your coating applications, let me know below. I'm out. Ciao!